Hi, my name is Diana, wife of one, mother of three, Bible study facilitator, and I live anchored to the truth and the hope of Jesus. A few years ago, I was going through some stuff. I opened my Bible and God began to speak. He said, "Be still and know that I am God." How absolutely incredible is that? The God who created the heavens and the earth, who holds the sun, the moon, and the stars in place, that he would want to speak to me. Here's the problem, and maybe you can relate. I had no idea what he was really saying. I didn't know how to break that apart and make it make sense for me. I didn't know what it meant to actually know him. So I began to do some research. And I learned that the only way to know him is to know scriptures. But again, here's the problem. I don't know how to interpret scriptures for myself. I had many Bibles. I've used them over the years, but I didn't know how to engage it for myself and to understand what God was truly saying. So I did some research. I started learning. I started trying new techniques. I began to do some Bible study on my own. I began to connect with other Bible study facilitators. I learned the art of Bible journaling, and I immediately began to teach. I was teaching in small groups, and we were having the time of our lives, digging in, discovering, understanding, and learning together. The past 7 years have been absolutely incredible. But I wonder how many more of you are feeling like I was feeling. The Bible is full of incredible truths, things that will help us to live our everyday life, whether you live in New York City or a small town, it doesn't really matter. The word is for all of us, all of it, cover to cover. So here's what I did this year. I launched Anchored Women. And what we're doing is we're engaging scripture. We're reading and interpreting. We're applying it to our lives. We're doing some Bible journaling. We're building sweet community. And we're having a great time. So here's what I'd like to do. I want to invite you to join us. You can join us in our online community. You can join us at any one of our retreats or one-day workshops so that you could try some of the techniques that we've used just to engage scripture, to get to know God, and to understand his word and apply it to our lives. I hope you'll join us.